I didn't think a utensil holder could make me feel disorganized, but here we are. My kitchen drawer was basically a metal tornado. Spoons mixed with forks, random chopsticks. This caddy came in and straightened everything out without even trying. The stainless steel isn't that flimsy, bendy type. It's sturdy, has a good weight to it, and the rust-proof finish really does hold up. I've washed it, wiped it, moved it around a bunch of times, and it still looks brand new. The four compartments are clutch. It actually forced me to organize my stuff the right way. Spoons in one, forks in another, knives separate, and the random slot for all those weird utensils that never had a home. And because the design is open and clean, everything looks neat without me even trying. I've used it on the counter in a drawer and even pulled it out for a backyard barbecue. Super easy to carry around, just one of those items that quietly makes your day smoother. If you want something that's functional, durable, and makes your kitchen feel way less chaotic, this little caddy kind of became my unexpected MVP.